Hi all, welcome to Learning Hub. In the previous video we have seen what is cloud computing and why to use cloud computing. In this particular video we are going to see what are the advantages of the cloud computing. Let us start the session. The main advantages of the cloud computing are it ensures low maintaining cost and backup and restoring the data is very easy, and it is a pay-as-you-go basis model, and it provides elasticity and reliability as well. Let us go through one by one. First one is low maintenance cost. One of the major advantage of the cloud computing is that it reduces the cost of buying the infrastructure and maintaining the infrastructure a lot. That means here instead of paying massive amount for buying the infrastructure, we are just paying rent for the services we are used. And here we can stop spending money for running and maintaining the data centers. And the next advantage is backup and restore the data. If the data is no longer in use, we can back up the data into backup centers and we can retrieve it back whenever there is a need. And it is a pay-as-you-go basis model, which means only paying for the server time or the space that you particularly use. One other main advantage of the cloud computing is that user can pay the charges based on the service utilized. And the next advantage is elasticity, which means here we are provisioning resources when the user wants them and releasing them back whenever there is no need. Let us consider an example of online shopping app. During the festival seasons, the count of the customers who use that particular app will be gradually increased, so that we need to increase the servers to handle all those requests. And in the normal time there won't be much requests when compared to the festival seasons, so we can decrease the count of the servers. And the next thing is reliability. Most of the cloud service providers will guarantee 99.99% uptime of the servers, which means if the data stored in particular data center is lost, we can access the data from the another data center in the same region. If the entire region got collapsed due to some natural calamities, then we can access the data from the another region, which means that the data is replicated into multiple data centers in the same region, and it also can be replicated across the multiple regions as well, which ensures low latency and the high availability of this data. Thank you all. This is all about the advantages of the cloud computing. See you all again with the next video.